Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this 72 plate BMW X7 with a Starline Pro. This is a multi-point immobiliser which you can use a push sequence of the customer's choosing or pair their Bluetooth phone up with an adjustable range before the vehicle's going to start. So if a thief's got your key and they go to steal it, foot on the brake, try and start, vehicle's just not going to start up. The ignition will come on if they've got a key or they've cloned the key or they've even stolen yours, but it's not going to start up. So for the customer, foot off the brake, we'll tap the start button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, get the ignition on, then go for a code of their choosing. We've left it simple, 1, 2, 3 for this video. Hear a disarm tone, now foot on the brake, hold the start button and the vehicle fires up. If the customer doesn't want to use the PIN code and day to day they just want their Bluetooth phone paired up, they'll hop in the vehicle, phone in their pocket, just going to start up through Bluetooth authorization. Now if we turn the Bluetooth off, give this sort of 10 seconds to set, and then it's going to be protected. So if a thief clones your key while you're getting out, lock it, 10 seconds later they try to steal it, it's not going to start. As you can see, car's not starting. For the customer to change the code on this vehicle, what they've got to do, ignition on, prove that it's them with either their code or their phone. Get our disarm tone. Now we'll press one of the buttons 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off, turn it back on with a triple press. We'll get 5 bleeps and it's ready to learn. So we'll just change the code to, we'll wait for a confirmation and we'll repeat that again. Just turn these fans off. So paddle, paddle, minus, plus. Wait for the same confirmation, that's the code changed. Once we get that, so we can now turn the vehicle off. So now the next time the customer comes to the vehicle, they've changed their code, they'll do a triple press. Oh, that was too soon. So next time they get in, we'll do a triple press, 1, 2, 3. Put the code in that we've just set, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can do it all the way to 21 presses. Receive our melody, foot on the brake, we can start. If they're taking it for a service, they can go into the app on their phone, press and hold. Or if they don't want to do that, they can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on any button. Turn the car off, back on. 2 bleeps and now it's in service mode. So that means when it goes back to BMW, it's just a normal vehicle. No need for a code or a phone. It's going to start up like normal, no melodies. And they're going to be able to drive it around the workshop, service it, road test it, do what they need to do. When you get it back from them and you want it to be secure again, just triple tap. If you're on the app, just press and hold back to green. If not, you just put your code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bleeps takes it back out. So to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro, pairs to the phone. You can use a PIN code, has multiple point immobilisation. Give us a call to get yours secure.